Okay, adding new video to the stock after losing it all. We're heading up Anvil Mountain. Gonna wander, see what we see. Wonder if they're going berry picking up there or something.
Probably.
They got buckets of some sort. Oh, we should put on some mosquito dope. Time to put on some mosquito stuff. Mosquito dope smells like Wisconsin. Smells like sitting on the pontoon casting for bluegill or walleye or whatever. 95% skin cancer. Okay, heavy breathing and we're only that far up. There's the barge out there. We went out yesterday all the way along the beach out to Penny River and did some fishing and didn't catch anything. We saw them, but we didn't catch any. Should we keep going? All right, we're gonna keep going. Okay, it's time to go back on a diet. She's like, yeah, no problem. We're just gonna keep going up the hill. Meanwhile, the 4 pieces of toast with a cup of peanut butter I had them on this morning are really getting to me. Hi. Hi, yeah. Yeah. Ready? I'm not. Okay, we're on some flat ground, thank God. Gotta go up that way yet. Here's some view on the other side of the mountain here to another mountain, and then up there is the radar installation. This is in our winter video where you saw like the ice hanging on the willows and it looked like it was glass on the willows. This is that kind of all along here. I'll put a link to it somewhere in here. There'll be a link somewhere, something, link, maybe. All right, let's keep going. Now that I can breathe. How many animals do you think are in that view?
I don't know.
Bears, moose, muskox. Any? I mean, not including like rabbits or... Think there are any?
I overheard some guy at the Unalakleet airport saying they were out fishing and they saw nothing. It's weird. I've never seen anything. I've seen one moose. Ever.
I haven't.
Nothing else.
Yeah, I haven't seen...
And a lot of poop.
I've seen the poop. I've seen prints, but I haven't seen any actual animals besides the muskox. I mean, but that's to be expected when you're around Nome. But yeah, I haven't seen any bear. I mean, there was a bear mauling just up over this hill and down the road on the other side of the mountain. Mauling, quote unquote. The guy was...
Well, he got hurt.
Yeah, but he was okay ultimately. But yeah. I mean, they're around. It's just, I think they're more rare than maybe. I don't know. I've never seen them, so I can't say.
Which is gonna be soon.
Yeah, and they're out eating salmon now, I'm sure. Like, this is
Salmon and carcass, salmon and carcass, salmon and carcass, salmon and carcass,
Salmon and carcass.
you can see them down in the lower part of the state. There's videos online of them down in the parks, down where that stupid, what was this, grizzly, what was the guy that lived with the grizzlies and got mauled? Grizzly man? Yeah, Grizzly Man, was that it?
What was his name? Timothy Treadwell.
Yeah, Timothy Treadwell, down where he was. They're all out and eating salmon and stuff, and there's videos of that online. So if you want to go see those, you could search for it on YouTube after you watch this video. Here we go. Coming up the hill. Kind of caught my breath a little bit, not really. We didn't see any kibbit or muskox. The underfur of their coat must be done like shedding and already have their summer coat on. We found a ton when we were here in July. Well, tons, I guess, subjective.
Like a bowl.
Yeah, there's a big bowl. I don't know what it would translate to into like a ball of yarn, but
Nothing. Like,
once you spun it out, it would be like half an inch of yarn.
yeah.
Eating mosquitoes? They're good for you, protein or something like that. Up here in the winter when we were walking, is where all the little standing icicles were making bell type noises. Some pipe in the ground here. U.S. Department of Interior, Bureau of Land Management. Something survey. Unlawful to disturb. Coastal survey. Huh, I wonder what that does. Maybe we can Google it. That's kind of neat. The type of rock. Sandstone? Or shale?
So it's shale. I haven't seen sandstone here.
Yeah, that looks sandstony though. Yeah, that feels like sandstone.
This looks really like European.
You gotta crack it open and look for fossils. We got Bean taking some photographs off in the distance of the mountains there. Trying to get it as flat as she can.
Really can zoom in on that.
We'll see what we get and we'll put those pictures in the video. Okay, we're going back down the mountain now. Back down, down the mountain. When we go, going back down the mountain when we go. No? I don't know. That's what we're doing. Anyway, we're going back down the mountain if I haven't said that already. We were just up there. Took some cool pictures of some mountains off in the distance that appear to be snow-capped. We'll find out when we get home and we pop them open on the computer and take a peek-see. We'll come back at you if there's anything more exciting on the way down the mountain. I think it's going to be about as exciting as it was coming up the mountain. But if we see anything neat, we'll come back at you. Otherwise, I'm turning the camera off now. Bye. Disco pillow.
Disco pillow.
Disco under your head.
Under your head.